You do all this to pay for nursing school?
Why did she need to go to school? She's a dancer and a model.
Yeah, I'm like a triple threat.
Yeah, what's wrong with you? Why didn't you keep up?
So anyway, I thought that when I was in town, maybe we could hang out, hit the club. The guy from the magazine, he said he'd take me to some crazy parties.
I wish, but I can't. I'm working all the time. My dad's making me pay rent.
Landlord and dad. I'm like a triple threat. What's that?
You know, I need a place to crash. Maybe I can help you. You know, I could pay you like $100 a month.
Really?
That'd be awesome.
Carmen, can I see you over here for a moment?